Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another exciting video for you guys. So Priceline is going to have another half off cosmetic sale. It's going to be from the 16th to the 19th of July. Certain brands won't be included, Natio, Essence and Revolution. Personally, I'm a bit disappointed, but I'm sure they have a few reasons why they haven't included in the sale. But just make sure you guys keep that in mind when you guys go shopping. Certain brands will only have 30% off. I'll leave a list of all the details down in the description box down below for you guys. But yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, I do product recommendations every now and then. I do have a playlist of my previous recommendations down in the description box down below as a playlist. And I also have a little eye thing on the screen that makes it easier for you guys to click on. But yeah, let's move on to the recommendations. So let's start off with this foundation from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and honestly I am very surprised with this foundation. This stuff works really well. If you guys are looking for a full coverage foundation that will last throughout the day, if you have slightly oilier skin like myself, this does last really well, doesn't break down. I highly recommend this one. But that foundation definitely has that very makeup looking look. Now if you guys aren't full coverage wearers like myself and you prefer something on the lighter side, I do recommend this one from Revlon. This one is the Photo Ready Candid Foundation. This stuff has a lot of good things as well. I can't remember on the top of my head what they are, but it's really nice on the skin. It's nice and hydrating, and it just looks really nice and soft on the skin as well. I really like this one as a daily foundation. Alright, let's move on to concealers. Now if you guys have like dehydrated under eyes, or just, you know, you just want something to really nourish the under eye, I really like this one. This one is the Maybelline Age Rewind. I've recently just gotten into that and I'm really in love with the formula. There are certain days my skin just doesn't look that great and that just perks it up to the next level. And then for the days that I just want to brighten my under eye area, that's what I use concealer for really. I just use the Maybelline Fit Me one. Another good one that I have discovered is this one from Revlon. This one's the Photo Ready Candid as well. The one I use for my under eye is called Biscuit. Yeah, Biscuit. Sorry guys if I'm a little bit all over the place. I haven't done a sit down chit chat kind of video in quite some time. I'm just used to doing Instagram videos these days where I just sit here and do my makeup. Anyway, let's move on to powders. This one's an oldie but a goodie. This one is the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Powder. I really like this one for baking. But I've also discovered other products as well that are really good for baking. So I've got the Maybelline Master Fix Baking and Brightening Loose Powder. This one's actually really good. I actually really like using this to bake underneath the eyes with the sponge. I don't find that it sits in the fine lines or dries the under eye overly. In terms of the brightening, it does have that nice sort of like yellow banana shade, so I think it's going to be quite flattering for a range of skin tones. But the next powders I highly recommend. I'm pretty sure they're going to be out of stock because a lot of people rave about these. These are the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powders. These are so good. I remember watching a couple of people's tutorials and, you know, reviews, and they were saying like how amazing it was, and I thought like, yeah, it can't be that amazing. But I take that back. These are amazing. These are finishing powders. I just thought they were like translucent powders or just like, you know, just normal face powders, but the fact that they're finishing powders means that they have sort of like this filter effect on the skin. That's so pretty. You can use this as like your baking powder, you can use it as your finishing powder, and it works wonders. I'm wearing it right now and honestly I feel like it's giving me this really nice soft glow. If you guys are fans of, let's say, finishing powders from Hourglass, MAC, you know, those brands, very similar look on the skin, but obviously really inexpensive. Alright, let's move on to bronzers. I've got the Maybelline City Bronzer. This one is in the shade Deep Cool 300. That's what I'm wearing right now. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it's pretty much on the perimeter of my face. It's a really nice cool tone bronzer. Sometimes I do feel like an orangey bronzer doesn't really work for particular looks that I'm doing. Like for this one, it's kind of like a little bit more on the cool tone, especially with the purple. This works really well. Again, it's a matte bronzer, but I still love my Rimmel London Good to Glow bronzer. This one is in number 2 Amber. It's just a really good bronzer, and I use this quite heavy-handedly, and I still haven't hit pan, so this is really good value for money as well. Ugh, it's just so pretty. Alright, let's move on to eyeshadows. Now honestly, there haven't been any drugstore eyeshadow palettes that have really excited me until I saw this one. This one is from Rimmel London. This one is the Magnifies Rainbow Edition. This is so pretty, and if you guys can't get your hands on the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, I don't have that. There are some similar colours in here that you can definitely use to create a look very similar to that of the Jeffree Star one. And these guys are hella pigmented, so if you guys have ever tried one of these Rimmel London eyeshadow palettes, they are so good. They're so pigmented. All right, let's move on to mascara. So there are two that I've been enjoying recently. So one is from Rimmel, one is from Maybelline. So let's talk about the Maybelline one first. This one is the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. So I've got naturally long lashes already, and I just really want volume, and I'm not wearing falsies. So this is what I use. I really enjoy that. But if I'm going for like volume and length, I will go ahead and use this one first. This one is the Rimmel London Wonderfully Real Mascara. This one's got keratin as well. I really like the formula as well, but the problem is it's just more length that I get from this, not so much volume. That's why I like to combine them together. Alright, let's move on to some eyeliners. So I have got the Maybelline Tattoo Liners. I've got a brown one, and I've also got like a plum one, or like aubergine eggplant color. The eggplant one I'm wearing on my waterline now. It's just really nice and pigmented, and these are, by the way, gel eyeliners, so they will last throughout the day. A lot better than kohl liners. I wouldn't say they last throughout the whole entirety of the day. You'll get some breaking apart like around the outer corner, but like in the middle part, I think it's pretty much fine. I feel like eyeliners in general on the waterline, for me, they just kind of like break apart quite quickly or fade away quickly because I use eye drops quite often because I wear contacts. Okay, oh, these ones really excited me when I got these. These ones are the Wonder Swipe eyeliner things, liner to shadow from Rimmel London. So if you guys are fans of doing cut creases, these are probably one of the best things you can get from the drugstore, and that will give you that cut crease look. So if you guys are fans of like the Stila ones, they're not exactly the same, but they give you a very similar look. So you can just use them obviously as a liner like that, or you can use them as like an eyeshadow base like that, which is why I say they're perfect for like cut creases, because you can definitely just do it like that. You can definitely just draw a line like that and then just keep building the product. I've done a couple of tutorials on Instagram where I use these. I'll try and link one down in the description box down below if you guys would like to see a demo of these, but these guys are really pretty, really pigmented, and cut crease, guys. Cut crease. All I have to say. Now, again, I'm not sure if lashes are included. If lashes are included, I do recommend, I just have the boxes because I use them so often. I've got the Eyelure lashes. Now, these ones are the most wanted ones. The I Heart This is what I'm wearing right now. The Gimme Gimme ones are also a really nice one. I highly recommend these ones if you guys can still get them. Again, I've done videos like this in the past, so if you guys would like to see my other recommendations, I still do stand by them. They will be linked down in the description box down below as a playlist, and also the eye again on the screen. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely let me know down in the comment box down below what you guys are going to be shopping at the sale. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and share this video with your friends and family. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.